Hey guys, so it's been 7 days since I had my second mini FUE procedure. And on the 7th day, you have to take off the scabs. So as you guys can see, all these little dark spots here are scabs from the FUE procedure. Basically, the scabs have to come off so that, the hair grafts can grow all nice and straight and healthy, all right? So you guys will look how it looks there. So all of this is gonna come off. So HMR sent me a video on how to do this. And you have to do it yourself because, obviously HMR is in Mexico and I'm here in Northern California, so I'm doing it myself. And they sent me a video. Basically, I need to get hot or warm water and a butter knife to go ahead and do this procedure. And I wanted to tell you guys that when I was a kid, I used to think that this was a butter knife, but if you think this is a butter knife, you're wrong. This is just a knife. Apparently, this is a butter knife. It has to have this little, shape. This is a true butter knife. This is just a knife, okay? So, who knew? All right, so I'm gonna use some Johnson's baby shampoo. Put it in here. I'm gonna put some water in here. It should be warm, but not scalding hot, but warm water helps soften things up. I can't believe I'm filming this, but here goes. I'm doing this to help you guys because I know it will help. All right, so I got the warm water here. I'm gonna pour it on me. Okay. I'm not scared to touch them anymore. They feel like all crusty, like they're supposed to. Ever since I was a little kid, I was told that I produce really good scabs. Just like a natural talent. All right, and now the moment of truth. Butter knife, do your job. Okay, I'm putting it in here. Let's see. I want this to show on camera good, so I might have to move the camera right now. And by the way, the very first time I did this last year, I was terrified. I was really scared to do this, but since I did it already, I know it's not that bad. All right, anyway, here goes. So you just do nice little gentle movements, and look, you can see the scabs are coming off. Gross, but kind of cool at the same time. We'll try to zoom in. The butter knife is doing a really good job at removing them. I just feel like a mild scraping. It doesn't hurt. So it's going the way it's supposed to. Actually, they're coming off really easy. I don't know if you guys ever have gone to fancy restaurants, and sometimes when they bring the bread, they bring this stuff called tapenade. I think that's how you say it. It's basically like this olive dip. That's exactly what my scabs look like. They look like tapenade dip. I know it's kind of gross, but hey, it's the truth. So you can see there's like mild redness there, but that's just because, I'm just mildly, touching the skin. And as you can see, there's like no blood coming out, so that's like a good thing. I don't think that's blood. Is that blood? No. Okay, maybe there's a tiny bit of blood there, but it's not bad. I'm gonna keep going. I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna show it. gonna put some water over that. I know it's gross. But hey, that's the price of beauty. All right, so check it out. I think most of the hard work is done. And you know, you guys are gonna wanna take off these scabs because they start itching like after like the third and fourth day. So I was really looking forward to this time, because now it feels like, first, it doesn't feel hard. Second, you just feel clean and it looks cleaner. And you know, I don't know, it just feels nice. Now the chance of any infections happening are basically zero because it's clean. All right, I'm gonna move the camera. All right, so I'm officially done. That whole process took about 5 minutes. So if the fear of taking off your own scabs is holding you back from going and having an FUE procedure done in Mexico, don't let it scare you, because I just did it, and if I can do it, you can do it. It's easy, and like I said, you know, you're gonna save so much money doing it yourselves and going to Mexico. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Anyways, my name is Moises Amaya, and I'm out.